Lisa Meadows. That's a little scary, isn't it, out there? She joins us now with information about severe storms that passed through Minnesota a few nights ago. First time I ever heard the term. Is it gustnado?
Gustnado, right, exactly. It was our first day we had the enhanced risk for severe weather, so I was out with the mobile weather lab. We had Mike, who was backing up Chris in studio. Nickname that I call Mike Augustianac is gustnado, but it is actually a term, yeah. So when you have a gustnado, basically the National Weather Service didn't see any evidence that these were tornadoes. If you remember Tuesday afternoon, evening across the southern part of the state of Minnesota, we actually were cutting in with some of that severe weather. A gustnado is more of a short-lived, weak circulation coming out of the outflow as opposed to, say, a tornado where it's attached to a rotating cloud base. So that is the difference, and that's basically what we saw on Tuesday. Now, the good news is coming up here for the weekend, we have a chance of storms, but here's your outlook for tomorrow. Notice that enhanced risk, most of the severe stuff should be off to our west. We will have to watch the western part of the state of Minnesota where we have that 1 out of 5, a marginal risk when it comes to the severe storms. I think it's more so Sunday. We'll have to keep a closer eye on things. But notice that we don't have those severe weather ingredients in place. Look at this. Dew points are down. We had a front that came through, kind of washed some of the humidity levels out, and that's one of those severe weather ingredients. You don't have to worry about that. But you probably noticed those winds out of the north. They were pretty strong throughout the day today. Right now, we're just at about 5. Winds have relaxed quite a bit, and then temperatures have also fallen off. We're at 73 in the Twin Cities, whereas most locations otherwise in the 50s and the 60s. Western Wisconsin, mid and upper 60s, 50s as we look further up to the north. So dropping off, actually that's closer to what our average high this time of year is, 76. We topped out at 81. That was our afternoon high, so it was pretty warm. But here you can see things are going to be quiet for a little while. High pressure in place across the Midwest. We got a couple of clouds out there close to Alexandria, Brainerd, but that's pretty much it. So we're sticking with mainly clear skies overnight tonight, which means if you are a fan of looking outside, you're a stargazer, or you want to check out the full moon overnight tonight, you should be fine. 59 when it comes to our low temp. And then tomorrow, sunrise 5:33 in the morning, and then those temps do jump up. I think tomorrow will probably be a little bit cooler than what we saw for today, just that cooler air mass in place. It's a little drier too. 80 for your high temp. Normally we're at 72, so we are going to be still even above average. And then here are those rain chances. All right, so here's the breakdown. We're going to watch some of those thunderstorms that start to swing in across the western part of the state. Like I said, as we go through it tomorrow, could be as early as midday. For us in the Twin Cities metro, we've had maybe a couple of isolated storms try to swing through for dinner time. Can't rule it out, but for the most part, it's probably just an increase in cloud cover. Then watch what happens. Once we start to head overnight, going into Sunday, we do pull in that chance of seeing some showers and storms. I do think it's going to favor the northern part of the state of Minnesota with those thunderstorm chances, but I'm not going to rule it out for even the Twin Cities and the metro for, say, Sunday morning. You may be waking up to some showers and storms. And these are the ones you're going to have to keep a close eye on, especially if we're across the northwestern portion of the state. This is for Sunday, where we do have that risk for seeing some strong winds or also some hail associated with these storms. Then this is Tuesday. I just think this is why meteorology just makes it so interesting. We're talking about the tropical storm here, and we're all the way up in Minnesota. That's right. That moisture from that storm could continue to pull up to us on Tuesday. So we're going to track that because that pulls in that chance of seeing some heavy rain, flooding. That's for Tuesday. Before that, summer heat, hot and humidity. Amelia, got a little bit of everything here on the 7-day forecast.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. All right. Thank you, Lisa.
Yep.